It's cabinet install day here at Pinhoti, and I wanted to show you a cool product that I found called Easy Level. Now, this is a system that allows you to level your cabinets once they're already set in place. Now, why this is important, if you've ever installed cabinets before, you understand that shimming the front and the back of the cabinets, taking these cabinet boxes in and out, back and forth, can be a true hassle. But let me show you how this works. It's a very simple system. It's two number 2 square drive threaded rods that fit into these little boxes that have feet on them. So basically, what you do is you have a front and a rear. Look at this, they just simply go just like this. And the feet adjust out just like this. You see this? So what it does is it allows you to come through the front. Here, come here, you can see this. You just drill a 3/4 inch hole in the face, and then you have your number 2 drive right in the face. So all you have to do is attach your cabinets together, get them in, and then you have your whole alignment where you can adjust these back and forth as many times as you need till the top reference of your cabinet is absolutely perfect. Again, great stuff here from Easy Level, really a revolution in expediting and making sure that your final product is awesome.